the incorporation of new measures to improve road safety, which may have financial penalties. It is not designed as a revenue measure. The government has no real interest in earning money from bad behavior. It is there as a penalty to prevent bad behavior. So I've taken careful note of this argument being presented, that the fines are too high, which is effectively to say that we want lower fines so that we can pay them and continue to breach. The idea of the high fine is to say to you, don't breach. We're not interested in the money, we're interested in your safety. I think that needs to be said.